New Jersey tea, Ceanothus americanus, is a charming and versatile native perennial shrub that is known for its delicate white flowers and attractive foliage. This hardy plant is native to eastern North America and offers many benefits, including its ability to attract pollinators and withstand various growing conditions. If you're interested in cultivating and caring for New Jersey tea in your garden, this video will provide you with helpful guidelines to ensure its successful growth and maintenance. Suitable growing conditions. New Jersey tea thrives in a variety of conditions but prefers the following. Climate. It is adaptable to a wide range of climates, from USDA hardiness zones 4 to 8. Sunlight. Plant your New Jersey tea in a location that receives full sun to partial shade. It can tolerate some shade but will produce fewer flowers in shadier areas. Soil. Well-draining soil is essential for New Jersey tea. It can tolerate a range of soil types, including sandy or loamy soil, but it prefers slightly acidic to neutral pH levels. Planting New Jersey tea. Follow these steps to successfully plant New Jersey tea. Timing. The ideal time to plant New Jersey tea is in early spring or early fall when the weather is cooler. Digging the hole. Dig a hole that is twice as wide and just as deep as the root ball of the plant. Planting depth. Place the plant in the hole, ensuring that the crown, where the stem meets the roots, is level with the soil surface. Backfill the hole with soil, gently firming it around the roots. Spacing. Space multiple New Jersey tea plants about 3 to 5 feet apart to allow for proper air circulation and growth. Watering and moisture. Proper watering and moisture management are crucial for the health of New Jersey tea. Consider the following. Watering. Water the plant deeply immediately after planting and then regularly during the first growing season. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the plant to help retain moisture, suppress weed growth, and regulate soil temperature. Fertilization. New Jersey tea generally does not require heavy fertilization. However, if the soil is poor or lacking in nutrients, you can apply a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in early spring. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer packaging for the appropriate application rate. Propagation. New Jersey tea can be propagated through seed or cuttings. Seeds. Collect seeds from the plant after the flowers have dried. Sow the seeds in a well-prepared seed bed or in containers. Keep the soil consistently moist until germination occurs. Cuttings. Take softwood or semi-hardwood cuttings in early summer. Remove the lower leaves, dip the cut end in rooting hormone, and plant the cutting in a well-draining rooting medium. Place it in a sheltered area with indirect sunlight until roots develop.